come take a look at our car camper build. Here is our drawer system that we built in. Pull out the drawers. We made this so that we can pull it up. Easy access to be able to put things in the back. Everything fits in there snugly. We have this extra slab of wood to be able to use as our makeshift table. Slide it right over here. Let's take it back to where it all started. First, you're going to need the following. Before we get started, here's a little warm-up. Cut your plywood sheets to size. If your partner doesn't listen, then cut them too. Measure and cut your plywood planks to size. Generously apply your wood glue. Stick your planks down to your plywood sheet and hold. Screw in a couple screws to hold in place while glue dries. Repeat the process until all 4 planks are glued in place. Make sure to fill in every corner with glue for extra durability. Next, you are going to fill in the remaining screws. It's a race. Who's gonna win? Sand down all surfaces and edges. Prep your outdoor carpet. Place plywood on carpet and cut around. Screw in your hinges. The hinges hold the top sheet in place and allows you to get in the drawers in case something gets stuck. Fold and staple the carpet to sheets. Next, we are building our drawer boxes. Cut your planks to size.
Sand them down nice and smooth. Next, we drill our drawer arms into the sides. Reload the staple gun and finish the carpet. Once drawers are in place, we build our boxes. Cut plywood to size. Sand her down good. Glue it all together. Add screws to hold in place. Next, we will use the nail gun to nail the box together.
First drawer cabinet done and dusted. This thing is solid. Finally got our drawer fitted. This is the first one in. Just want to give you a demonstration. Comes out nice and sturdy. It goes right back in. Perfect.
Nice job.
We left a nice little gap just so you can get your hand in underneath. Just let it pull it out. Great. And then we left this little room at the back over here just for some extra storage in case we need to get something in at the back. Nice.
And repeat the exact same process for your second drawer box.
Right guys, now we're going to show you quickly how we fold out our bed setup so that we can sleep in the back of the car. First things first, you're gonna wanna get your seats down. Then, as you can see, it's clearly just another piece of wood that we covered in some carpet. And then what we did was we put some more planks of plywood just as some support for underneath, just 1 and 2. And now I will show you how easy it is to fit. Literally just flip it over. As you can see, my solid support. That's our bed. And if you come and have a look around the side, and underneath we left all this nice storage area. As you can see, we've got our fishing rods over there, and this area here allows us to store a whole lot of other stuff, not lose all that space.
Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see more of.